back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi FAISON, and you are here and I welcome you into my home once again. Now guys, today is Tablescape Tuesday and it is hosted by none other than Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and her co-host is Courtney over at Amethyst Adventures. Both of their channel links will be listed in my description box below, along with either a playlist link or a hashtag that will direct you to all of the other creators that will be participating. Guys, please go and show lots of love to everyone and let them know that if you're coming from my channel, let them know that you are coming from here. And if you are coming from the other channels, let me say to you now, I welcome you and I thank you for stopping by. I hope you will like it enough to click that red subscribe button. And guys, make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you'll always be notified of any and all uploads that are made on this channel. I'm not trying to be Michael Jackson. I know you guys see my little glove here, and it's not part of my outfit. It's just something that is keeping my wrist from being so painful when I do try to write or use it. And hopefully that will be taken care of on this Friday, the 21st of April. So I may be missing in action for a little bit. But guys, if you know about prayer, pray for your girl, because I don't know how this is going to turn out for me. So I'm soliciting your prayers. But I am going to go ahead and get started creating this coffee table. I am not doing my traditional dining room table. I'm just going to change a little bit here on my coffee table from where I had it styled for the Easter holiday. So I'm going to show that with you and share that with you, and then I'll show you what changes we're going to make. So stick around. Guys, this is what my coffee table looked like for the Easter holiday. I had my bouquet of tulips here, and these are those that are almost like lifelike for real tulips, but I had those here. And this is that lovely candle that I purchased from, I think, Nikki Boyd. Now just placed it here on this mercury glass candle holder along with the mercury glass box here, decorative box, and added my two little bunnies here representing my last two grandbabies. Some of these beautiful shimmering shiny eggs, and I just had them on this bed of faux grass here. It's actually garland. And a little bunny here, and then on this dough bowl I had added another little mercury jar. So I'm not going to do too much changing, just change out a few things here, and this is what it's going to remain as for a while. All right, guys. So guys, let me reveal to you my very elegant, very glammed coffee table styling. This is look number one, and I'm just going to tweak out a few things. And I know I said I wasn't going to change it out much, but pretty much I did. So I've added here in the center is this beautiful mosaic vase, and it's the small one. I do have two of the larger size. I've added in some of these gem leaf picks. Have it nestled on these floral design books here by I think it's the Preston Bailey books. So I have two of those, and I just have it sitting on top of those books. Added in those decorative glasses. Created few the little vignettes on each end and the vignette in the center. And this is what we have done to give that glam look to this space by using these very elegant pieces to give us that look. And the tulips are just absolutely gorgeous. So although this is not a room tour, I'm just going to just give you a little sneak peek of what the room looks like as you're walking in, as you see this beautifully decorated coffee table and how it coincides and work well with all of the other attributes into the room as far as accessories. I don't change out my pillows that often. I don't change out my furniture that often, but what I do change out is my accessories for the room. And that's a way that you don't have to spend a lot of money just to change things up in your home. And so guys, this is look number two. All I did was add the book, my blue and white book that I have here, and add the riser and the mosaic vase on top of that, just to change that up just a bit. But I'm gonna let you see a little bit of what the room looks like all together. So guys, again, if you're new to my channel, I welcome you. Please don't forget to check out the host for this collaboration, and that is Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and Courtney of Amethyst Adventures. Their links will be in my description box below, so please make sure you show them lots and lots of love and let them know that you came from my channel. And for those of you that are visiting me for the first time, I want you to know that I do welcome you here, and I appreciate you so much for stopping by. I am going to let you continue to watch the video, listen to the music. Don't forget to give me that great big old thumbs up, guys. I appreciate it so much. Be blessed and take care and enjoy.